Justin here with Home Safe Driving Specialist here in Prosper, Texas. We come to appointment checking out the dryer vent, and we came up into the attic. Sometimes the problem lays down inside the laundry room with the dryer itself and transition hose, but sometimes we come into the attic and the problem comes up into the attic and the pipe is disconnected up inside the attic to the point where this pipe down here and the pipe that's connected to the roof itself have become disconnected, and that's because the builder didn't fully connect the pipe properly. They stuck it close enough together, so they taped it up and called it good because they couldn't get it together because it was too long. So they didn't cut the pipe short enough to get it to go straight up to the roof properly. So it broke inside the attic. So now lint, moisture, air is getting all over their attic and can not only ruin the AC, ruin the joists in the attic, damage the insulation in your attic because of all the moisture and humidity inside there. So we're going to get this fixed up for them and get it working properly.